welcome back to my channel. And today's video we're gonna do our facial mask serum DIY, do it yourself. Our main ingredients is rice, glutinous rice, lemon, and we have this honey, and of course we have water also, and we have also this facial mask paper. And guys, I need to remind you, if you are using lemon to your face, you should know the dosage of the lemon, because lemon is acidic and it might harm to your face. First, we will take 1 spoonful of glutinous rice, and we will make it homemade. How it will be. I think it will take time to make this powder, guys. I need to make this in the boiled water. It will not happen like this. I try to add water, guys. Very hard. The glutinous rice, it's hard. So since that I cannot make it through like this, to make it powder, this glutinous rice, I need to boil this one to extract the rice water. So what I will do, I will take this honey. Once you get this rice water, guys, you will add honey, like at least half or 1 teaspoon of honey. Oh my god, ang ingay nila. After that, few drops of lemon. Guys, since hindi ko nagawa ng rice powder, yung glutinous rice natin, so ang gagawin ko ay pakukuluan ko siya. This one, you need to add 100 ml of water. Ayan. Okay. And ayan, ito na yung ano natin, guys. One spoonful of glutinous rice and 100 ml of water, and you need to boil that one. My glutinous rice is almost ready. I will put that one to my facial mask. This is one of the ingredients of my facial serum. Ayan. Oh! Guys, our glutinous rice is done, and we will transfer it in the container.
Let it be. Kasi na anak ko, let it be.
Ayan. So we extract the water. Since it is hot water, then you need to cool it down. After that, you need to put that one in your facial mask serum.
Sorry.
Here we go, guys. Our rice water is ready, and it is cooled down already. And this one, we took half spoon of honey and a drops of lemon, which is equivalent like 2 to 3 drops of lemon. And this is now we will add 1 spoon of rice water here. And mix it well. Now it looks like this, our serum. It is safe and natural only, guys, we are using. And prepare your facial mask top paper, and it will go like this. This is only for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed my video and you have some tips and ideas on how to make a facial mask serum in your home. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. God bless.